welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be watching on how to make a mini AC at home with Peltier. So first of all, we'll be seeing what is Peltier and how it works. The basic idea through which we are going to be using the Peltier effect to actually make a mini AC. So now, we'll be seeing on what a Peltier is and how it works. This is the representation of the interior of a Peltier. A Peltier is also known as a thermoelectric cooler. It uses the Peltier effect. It is a semiconducting device in which the P and N type semiconductors are connected in series. When a DC voltage is applied across the two different materials, it is capable of producing with one side of heat and the other side as cold. The PN semiconductors are covered with ceramic lids. The basic idea behind our project is gonna be that you're gonna be using a Peltier module which can give with one side with cold and the other side as heat. So what we'll be doing is we'll keep the cold side, and to make the cooler flow we'll be using an heat sink on top of it. Then we'll be using a fan to blow the air towards us. This is a 12 volt DC fan. To eliminate the heat which will be coming behind the Peltier, we can't be using the same process by using a heatsink and fan. That will be giving out cold air on one side and the hot air on the other side. So we'll be eliminating this process. Instead, we'll be using an aluminum heatsink which is water cooled. For this project, we'll be needing a Peltier module, a heatsink, a DC fan, an aluminum heatsink which is water cooled, a pump, sunboard, a power supply module with USB-B, So now we are done with the soldering part. This is the soldered stuff, and I've connected an external wire to give it to the power supply module. So this will be the power supply module which we'll be using. Let's tape it. Do use black tape, or you can use any shrink, anything. Now we'll be seeing the important part. So this particular module can give us, variable outputs. So we'll be setting it on how much we need. We're connecting it to USB drive. So now our mini AC is ready. We will be having to give the power supply over here. Thanks for watching, and if you really liked my video, do give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Do subscribe.